I just want to get all the mystery I can. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a mystery box and it's my first time filming in my new beauty room. Also, I should probably cut the air off. It's kind of loud. Also, please bear with me. I'm still figuring out where I'm going to film, the lighting and all of that in this new place. So let me know your thoughts on my little setup right here. I might switch some stuff around, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I just mentioned in another video that I really wanted to try some more Charlotte Tilbury. I have only a couple of products and I do love them, but I've never really purchased a lot of them. Sometimes the price just kind of like, do I really want to pay $50 for a bronzer? But I saw maybe what's a really good deal. Maybe I'm just a sucker for a mystery box. So I don't know where I actually saw this, but this is already sold out. But I do want to give you guys an idea of this box because this is the second time that it's been done. And it says here that the last time it sold out in 7 hours. I don't know how quickly this one sold out, but I was really drawn in. It's an embarrassing amount that I paid for this. Thank goodness for Afterpay. So this was $194 and it is a $388 value. So basically it says it's 50% off. You already know two of the things, which are the Wonder Glow and Legendary Lashes Volume 2. So you know a couple things that you're getting, but that still leaves 7 items. There are 9 full-size products in here, and they also had a couple of different promos going on. I should have a full-size lip and 2 deluxe size lips with my order, and I also have 2 tiny samples. So let's see what's in this box. All right, so I literally just got it, and this is what our box is looking like. I'm so excited to see what I got. I got a sample of the Magic Eye Rescue and then a little sample of their Collagen Lip Bath. So those are just little sample, guys. I may or may not try those. We will see. We got some paperwork, some tissue paper. With any luck, Mr. Minners will not try to eat it. So let's start with the little deluxes. So there's 2 different shades of Hot Lips. So they're cute little leopard print. So here are the 2 shades. Viva la Vergara, like Sofia Vergara, and then Glowing Jen. Is that Jennifer Aniston? Jennifer Lopez? I don't know. And then another freebie is the Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Starry Lit Sparkling Lip Looks. And it's in the shade Lucky Diamonds. So this looks like a lipstick that has some sparkle to it. So it's kind of like a nudie little hint of pink. It's got some sparkle in it. That looks really pretty. So it basically looks like Pillow Talk that has a lot of shine in it. Now, Pillow Talk for me, I don't know about you guys, but I always feel like it's kind of like not quite right on my skin. I think it just, I think I got that in my hair. But to me, I feel like it always looks a little bit too warm for my liking. For me, I like something that more neutral, sometimes bordering cool tones, you know, so it is what it is. All right, right off the bat is in a really, really pretty box. So I love the presentation, and it says Mystery Box Summer Sale 2020. They do have a sale going on for like 40% off. So if there are things you're interested in, you can definitely just go to the website and pick them out. But you guys know I'm crazy and I just want to get all the mystery I can. So here is what we're looking like. This one's visible. It is the Beauty Glow Beauty Light Wand and Wonder Glow Primer. Oh, there's 2 products in here. So this is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and then it has a small Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer. Oh, it's got a little puff on the end. Hello. I'm not that educated on her products, so if I seem just confused or like this is all new to me, I just haven't used that much, like I said, but this is kind of why I wanted to do the mystery box, because for me, it's worth it. Oh, I feel like I had to squeeze so much to get that to come out. But for me, it's worth it because, like I said, I haven't tried that much. So this gives me an opportunity to try so much. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. It's got a lot of luminosity and a little bit goes a long way. So it's kind of spread right through here. I would imagine it would be really pretty under makeup as well. Something like a sheer coverage. Dab this on before, either like everywhere or just in focused areas, but it's got a lot on the applicator. I'm making a mess. Okay, so that's a duo. So I think that's one product because it's like a little set, but it also has the full size Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer, which I think is the same thing as the small one. Okay, yes. This is the same thing. So I'll probably just hold on to the full size and I will give this one away. I am just trying not to keep so many products, but I have to admit, in this case, I do want the full size. Sometimes I'll just keep the small ones because I'm like, I don't need that much product, but it's really pretty. So here is the primer. It's luxurious. So this is a very subtle, slight glow. It doesn't look obviously as crazy as the highlight, but it gives you a little bit of luminosity. It feels so smooth on the skin. Wow. I think this is the same thing that I have. So this is the Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. Now I have one that I got in a lucky bag that has Swarovski crystals on it. So I think that's gonna be the only difference is the packaging. Let me grab mine. Okay, so this is the one I have. It's one of the very few Charlotte products I have, and this says light medium. And this one says fair medium. I don't know if there's any difference. From what I'm seeing, they look exactly the same. And as you can tell, this is the Swarovski one. I've hardly dipped into it, so I will put this in a giveaway. It's not touched. As you saw, I just opened it. And if you guys would like to enter to win this and the little mini primer, I'll put this and the mini primer. If you'd like to enter to win this, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also, just a quick note while I'm thinking about it, some of you guys who comment on like all my videos, I can tell that you either have your subscriptions private or you're not subscribed. Now, that is not saying that you don't want to be, but sometimes people do get unsubscribed, and I see people comment, you don't have the icon that says you're subscribed, and I'm like, no, I know she's been around forever. So like I kind of recognize sometimes I'm like, maybe they were unsubscribed. So double check on that, but make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below and let me know how your August is going so far. My August is better now that I moved and I'm feeling better too. It started off pretty rough those first few days, but it's gotten much better, so I can't complain. So this guy and the mini primer, if you want to win it, just subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Also, in your comment, leave your either Instagram handle, Twitter handle, an email address. That's not preferable, but if you don't have either of those, an email address, some way that I can contact you, because YouTube is not the most reliable way to contact. So leave that in your comment too. This is the Color Chameleon Color Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil. What? Darlings, what does that mean? It says Amber Haze. Choose from a soft focus day or stunning night look tailored to your eye color, infused with synthetic sapphire. I mean, I don't really know how that's a color chameleon. Oh, it's for brown eyes. Well, shit. I have green eyes, so I don't know what that's gonna do for me, but it is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, I just kind of intensified it in that one spot, but it blends out really nicely. Obviously, this would be great for a very quick, simple eye look. As you can tell, I don't usually do quick and simple eye looks, but I'm keen to give it a try still and see what I think about it. Yeah, Amber Haze for brown eyes. It doesn't look very amber. It actually looks pretty brown, so I'm a little confused, but I'll read more about it, and you know, if there's something I'm missing, I'll figure it out. I have the Hot Lips Refillable Rechargeable, and this is in the shade Angel Alessandra. Oh my goodness, this has the Panther packaging. It is so cute. Is the light going in and out? It's driving me crazy. Oh, this is a good color too. Okay, let me show you the packaging because this is stunning. I hope that you can see. You probably can't, but the Panther on it is so cute. What a pretty color to have gotten as well. Okay, I'm just like over thrilled with the packaging because it's just so freaking cute. I got Legendary Lashes Volume 2. So this is of course a mascara. Definitely didn't need a mascara, but I was willing to, you know, get one in this package to be able to try everything else out. I'm not gonna open it right now, you guys know. We get an Eyes to Mesmerize Long Lasting Easy Color, and this is in Star Gold. I don't think Charlotte does a lot of wow colors, so I kind of anticipated getting something more neutral. Now, it got really hot. I'm sure it just kind of shifted a little bit as it melted some, but it's pretty much still intact. Oh, shoot. I went to just do a tiny dab and a lot came off on my finger. That is Star Gold. It looks a little bit more copper, like a really pretty copper shade, but that is gorgeous. Ooh, that is so smooth. I'm definitely like more into that than I am the pencil. I'm gonna try both, but that has a really beautiful consistency. Wow, I could definitely see myself using both too, but that's really, really pretty. Then we got a Cheek to Chic Swish and Blush. I was actually interested in these. These are super cute. This shade is Ecstasy. Swish outer shade up cheekbone, pop middle shade on the apple of the cheek. So here are the two colors. You can hardly tell a difference. Seems like this one's a little bit more coral and a little bit more pink in the center. Some of them look like they have like more differentiation to them because I've seen them before, but I would say this is a really good color. I would probably pick one like this because it's like pink with a hint of coral. Super, super cute. And it's like a little bit peachy, but not too peachy. I like this color a lot. We have one last product. This is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. I don't know what shade. This looks pretty. Ooh, this is Dolly Bird. I could not read that for a second, but it looks like it's a little bit more pinkish or like almost mauve-y. Theirs are very, very like moussey consistency, so if you like that, you will probably really like these. It's kind of really caked on that doe foot. Okay. Interesting. So this is definitely a color I would like. It's kind of similar to what I have on right now, but it's definitely more just pink. It doesn't lean mauve like I was maybe hoping it would, but it's still a really, really cute pink. So very excited to try this one as well. I know that I got my money's worth in terms of Charlotte Tilbury products, like what they cost and what I got, but would I spend $194 again? I doubt it. Now that I have, you know, a little collection, I feel like I can try everything and really see. But if you're in the situation like me and you really want to try, you know, multiple products and you don't mind getting a random selection, this may be a good way to go, but I don't think that most people are going to go and spend that much. Now, I think for me, it made sense. I get a video out of it. I get to try a ton of luxury products, and I in particular was actually wanting to try Charlotte Tilbury, so it just happened to be that the timing was right. I got so many lips. Like if you include what I got for free, 2 minis and a full size, and then I also got the one with the Panthers. I mean, I am really happy about that. So I've got like 5 lip colors in total, a ton to try. 2 things for eyes. We also got mascara. We got primer, we got highlighter, bronzer, and highlight, which I am happy to share with you guys. Like when I get something that I already have and I know that I like it and I can give it away to you guys, I don't count that as a loss. I think of like, oh, that's a really cool opportunity for me to share. And I love doing giveaways and giving back. So I like that. And then the blush, of course. So I do think this worked out well for me, but I don't know if the situation happened again. I don't know that I would grab it because I don't want to get, you know, duplicate lips and mascaras and things like that, but I am super, super excited. I think tomorrow I did something really like cool and different today, like cool tones, things like that. So I think tomorrow I'll do something like a quick, simple, like glam look with some of these products. I think that'll be really, really fun. So be sure to check that out as well if you haven't seen it. This video should probably go up after that. I'll probably have already posted my look on Instagram with that. So be sure to go check it out and let me know that you came from this video to go check it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really happy with my little stash. It's a Lord of Charlotte Tilbury. I just didn't get the Swarovski one, you know, like this one's special. I also have a little brush that goes with this, but I got it in my Beautylish lucky bag. I look forward to those every year. Like I can't wait until, you know, January 1st and I can order it. I'm always excited. So I'm pretty happy with this. Like I have to admit, it wasn't a lot of money. It did hurt a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. So let me know what you think about this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like videos like this, like mystery unboxings and things like that. You guys know I love doing them. They're so fun and I get to share like my excitement with you, and I don't know, it's just something different to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe and like and comment on this video something about how your August is going, and don't forget to leave some way to contact you if you are the winner. So that is it. Thank you guys again, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.